Finding purpose in life is akin to discovering a deep wellspring of fulfillment and joy. Purpose can be defined as a central, self-organizing life aim that provides a sense of direction and meaning. It is a guiding light that influences decisions, shapes goals, and lends significance to everyday actions. The benefits of having a purpose are vast, impacting mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. At the core of psychological fulfillment is the need for meaning. Viktor Frankl, a renowned psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor, emphasized that the quest for meaning is a fundamental human drive. When individuals have a clear sense of purpose, they tend to experience a greater sense of coherence and clarity in their lives. This clarity helps in navigating life's challenges and adversities, providing a buffer against stress and anxiety. Having a purpose also promotes resilience. Purposeful individuals are more likely to see obstacles as temporary setbacks rather than insurmountable barriers. This resilience fosters a positive outlook and a proactive approach to problem solving, leading to greater overall life satisfaction. Purpose in life is closely linked to emotional well-being. People with a strong sense of purpose often report higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. This is because purpose provides a sense of accomplishment and progress. When individuals work towards goals that align with their values and passions, they experience a profound sense of joy and contentment. Moreover, purpose-driven individuals tend to cultivate more meaningful relationships. Shared goals and values create deeper connections with others, fostering a sense of community and belonging. These relationships in turn reinforce one's sense of purpose, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances emotional well-being. The impact of purpose extends beyond mental and emotional health, influencing physical well-being as well. Research has shown that individuals with a strong sense of purpose tend to engage in healthier behaviors. They are more likely to exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and avoid harmful habits like smoking and excessive drinking. This proactive approach to health results in better overall physical condition and longevity. Additionally, having a purpose has been associated with reduced risks of chronic diseases. Studies have found that purposeful individuals have lower levels of inflammation, better immune function, and reduced risk of heart disease. This could be attributed to the stress buffering effects of purpose, as chronic stress is a known risk factor for many health issues. Finding purpose is a deeply personal journey that varies from person to person. Here are some practical steps to help uncover and nurture a sense of purpose. Reflect on passions and interests. Take time to identify activities and causes that ignite passion and enthusiasm. These often point towards one's true calling. Set meaningful goals. Establish goals that align with personal values and passions. Breaking these goals into smaller, manageable tasks can make them more attainable and fulfilling. Seek connection. Engage with communities and networks that share similar values and interests. Building relationships with like-minded individuals can provide support and inspiration. Give back. Volunteering and helping others can provide a profound sense of purpose. Acts of kindness and service not only benefit others but also enhance one's own sense of meaning. Embrace growth. Continuously seek opportunities for personal and professional growth. Learning new skills and expanding horizons can open up new avenues for purpose and fulfillment. Having a purpose in life is a powerful catalyst for fulfillment and joy. It provides a sense of direction, enhances resilience, and fosters emotional and physical well-being. By reflecting on passions, setting meaningful goals, seeking connections, giving back, and embracing growth, individuals can cultivate a profound sense of purpose that enriches their lives in countless ways. Purpose is not just a destination, but a lifelong journey that continually evolves, bringing deeper fulfillment and joy with each step. Feeling out of focus? Take time to find your passion, leave comments, and subscribe.